Hi, it's Orit Esther Riter with today's Daily Dose of Emuna. Today we're going to talk about ladies' Teffilah. And I'm going to refer to a book written recently by the Biala Rebbe Shlita. And here he discusses the importance of Emuna in a lady's Teffilah. And he refers to the book called Ohev Yisrael. And he refers inside the book to a pasuk from Megillat Esther. The pasuk is Emuna, milashon vayihi oman et hadasa. Emuna we learn from the verse vayihi oman, and he, Mordechai Tzaddik, was the oman, the caretaker of hadasa. Hadasa, which is Esther Hamalka. And this is how we learn the idea of what Emuna is. And he continues to write, She'al yadei Emuna, through the power of Emuna, yumshach hadavar hazeh mimekoro veyavo. The actual thing, the idea that you are, your request that you're praying for, it actually gets drawn down, mimekoro, from its source. It gets drawn down and it appears and comes into our lives through the power of Emunah, through the power of us trusting that Hashem is our caretaker. Hashem is the one who worries about us, cares about us, and loves us. And that's the power of Emunah that enables for our request, Be'ezrat Hashem, to be answered. And he continues to say, Hainu, this means, Al Yedei Hahu, Ma'amin B'Hashem Yitbarach, through the one, through us, the Bat Shel Melech, our children of the princesses of Hashem, through us, Shema Amin, that we trust, that we have Emuna in Hashem. Through that, Ubotech Bo be'emunah shlema, that we trust in Hashem be'emunah shlema, with complete faith. Al shum ezeh davar, it doesn't matter what it is, that you trust in Hashem that He will fulfill your request in your tefillot, in your davening. Az nimshach hadavar hahu uba beshlemut. That is the groundwork, ladies. That is the power. That is the foundation on which all of our tefillot stand and are presented to Hashem. When we have emunah shlema, when we believe that what it is that we're requesting from Hashem is truly being taken care of by our caretaker, by our Hashem, by our Father who loves us, that is the channel, that is the power through which we are enabling for our requests to Be'ezrat Hashem be fulfilled, Be'ezrat Hashem. And why? And I continue and end. Kocha shel ha'emunah lahamshich ulegadel yoter v'yoter et hadavar. It's through the power of Emunah that request that we make before Hashem actually becomes stronger. It becomes more filled with validity. It has more strength to rise up to the source of all the tefillah, because we believe in it. Our tefillah that we believe in, that we know that it's Hashem who can answer us, that's the weight that carries it up and lifts it up in front of Hashem. And why? Ki kachol shena'amin bekoach tefilotenu, the more we believe in the ability of our tefillah, ubegodel elkam, and at the value that it holds within it, evechavivotam lefnei avinu shebeshamayim, and that it's endeared, it finds favor in front of Hashem. It's what Hashem wants from us. He wants our tefillot. The more we trust in that as we daven and as we present our requests in front of Hashem, Ken yimshechu tefillotenu, that is how our tefillahs will have the ability to draw down to it and hold within it the bracha and the shefa that Hashem wants to give us. Imagine that. In the koach of emunah, ladies, we have the ability to endear Hashem and bring a closeness so close that He is going to, Be'ezrat Hashem, enable for that tefillah to be answered. Chodesh Elul, there's no better month for us to take it upon ourselves, to go and enter this month The light of this month shines on the entire beginning of the new year and then some. This is the month we need to take our tefillot seriously, every single one of us. Let's begin right now, and let's make it an amazing, Emuna-filled day.